Welcome to Bollywood Hangama's Hangout, the show where stars get to meet their fans, fans get to meet their favorite stars. Guys, firstly, a big hand to all of you. Thank you for coming. And a big hand for this wonderful team of one of my favorite film franchise. Anurag, I want to tell you, I cannot tell you how excitedly I am waiting for this.
Wow.
It's a film that I can keep going back and keep watching. You are here, so I can literally tell you every scene that you've done in this. Firstly, to you, I want to ask you, that was 2007? 2000, yeah. When did you decide कि दौर बदल गया है, मेट्रो में कुछ नया आ गया है, it should come back?
बीच में शुरू किया था सोचना 2000 आई थिंक अराउंड पोस्ट ड्यूरिंग जग्गा जासूस कुछ बनी नहीं बात और कुछ कहानियां आई नहीं ऐसा लग रहा था खामखा कर रहे हैं कुछ कहानियां तो नहीं आ रही ये अपने आप हुआ आई थिंक ड्यूरिंग मेकिंग ऑफ लूडो आई वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट इट एंड बट दिस टाइम अराउंड राइटिंग दिस वाज इजियर इट जस्ट एक फ्लो में आया और खत्म भी हो गया सो आई थिंक after my last film I was thinking what to make next. This came naturally to me actually.
Amazing. And to all of you, I'm going to ask you all individually, who did you get a call from? Where were you when you got this call? Yeah.
Dada ने call किया.
Okay.
I was.
Where were you? Yeah.
Where was I? Somewhere.
Okay.
And दादा ने बोला कि अच्छा फैटी एक फिल्म है करेगी. मैंने बोला कौन सी? बोला बना रहा हूँ एक. मैंने ठीक है. फिर मैंने बोला क्या कहानी है? उन्होंने बोलना शुरू किया. अब क्या बोल रहे थे मुझे नहीं. फोन पे. अच्छा. प्रॉब्लम ये हुई मेरा नेटवर्क बहुत खराब था. अच्छा. बहुत ज्यादा खराब था. वो जो बोल रहे थे ना मुझे कुछ कुछ शब्द सुनाई दे रहे थे. मैं कर रही थी. मैंने सोचा अब क्या रोकूं.
जो बोल रहे सही होगा.
क्या बोलूं. तो जब भी वो चुप हो गए मुझे समझ में आया कि कुछ तो खत्म हो गया. तो मैंने हाँ दादा बढ़िया आई एम डूइंग इट.
अरे वाह फोन ओनली.
ऑफ कोर्स यार. फॉर मी you know I love him. And एक चीज का श्योरिटी है कि दादा never wastes his actors. अगर छोटे से छोटा कैरेक्टर भी होगा ना उसमें भी वो भी याद रह जाता है. तो I love him too much and I know that कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा ही आ जाएगा.
Wow. आपको ये बात पता थी? ये सुन रही थी नहीं सुन रही
थी? आज पता चला.
आज पहली दफा इन्हें पता. बताने की बात होती है.
मैं पुराने फिल्म में मुझे याद है अभी जब नरेशन की बात की आई डोंट थिंक कोको रिमेंबर्स नॉट कोको ने घर पे बुलाया था.
I remember this.
I remember fully.
मैं और कहानी सुनाना शुरू किया और मैं बहुत खराब नरेटर हूँ. और कहानी कहते कहते मैंने नाम मिक्सअप
नहीं. I'm correcting him.
तो मैं श्रुति की जगह शिखा बोलना शुरू कर दिया. शिखा की जगह श्रुति बोलना शुरू किया. कोको विद अ फ्राउन लाइक लिसनिंग टू माय स्टोरी. और उसके बाद मैं आगे कोको यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. एंजॉय नहीं कर रही है. बोले नहीं बट व्हेन डिड दे गॉट मैरिड व्हेन दे हैड किड्स. ओह शिट. फिर उसके बोले मैंने कब से मैं सब किया कहाँ से मुझे याद भी नहीं था. Then we ended up eating pabdamach and I think got it from Kolkata and we just ate and it left.
Bengali cook. That's how we
Chalo, that's the best ending. Sara, where were you when you got this call and similar story?
I went to meet Vasudha.
Okay.
Actually, at his office. Do you remember that your office? I was there. Tani ma'am was also there, and he just gave me like a gist of the story, and then for a while after that he only gave me the gist of the story because that's just how we roll.
Okay.
But no, I think I was just very, very excited to just get the opportunity to work with him. I've grown up watching his work, and I think that any actor is very privileged to just be able to be a part of, his
of course.
films.
Totally agree. Where were you when you?
I just want to add to that I remember that time because I do hardly watch any films and I didn't really know and I was so confused except that we had a good vibe. And I remember Shabana told me that he's made Gangster. He's very good. And I was like, oh, okay. Go for it. And then it was just such a quick and easy and smooth ride that time. It was very lovely and in fact I had a death of a loved one on that set and you immediately said go to Calcutta. So, his humanity is what shines through always. True. This time around I think I got a call and he said Metro 2 and I said oh okay great. That was it. Wow, I am actually always a little skeptical of sequels. But
it's not a sequel.
Oh, this is
not a sequel at all because the whole nature of the film, the way the tone of the film, the stories of the film, the way the film unfolds, everything is different.
Yeah.
I think लोग बहुत ज़्यादा उस मेट्रो का हैंगओवर लेके ना है.
Okay.
हाँ, so ये पूरी नया ही है ये काफी
अच्छा,
तरीके
बता
से।
रहे हो ये सब।
नहीं नहीं सही बात है, काफी
We
काफी
must
नया है।
get this out more. It's
Yeah.
a
You know,
new
it's not,
character.
it has a very dark,
Words.
that metro उस वक्त जब बना था, उस वक्त मतलब मेरी जिंदगी भी अलग थी, थोड़ा डार्क टोन था उस फिल्म का।
Okay.
ये वैसा नहीं है, इट्स सेम क्राइसिस सेम है, बट नजरिया देखने का इट्स अ वेरी
And
फन
you've used music also
म्यूजिक इन अ डिफरेंट वे, या इन दिस फिल्म।
Okay. Adi, where were you when you got a call?
I don't remember exactly where I was,
Huh.
but yeah,
course you
we decided to meet. Last time I think for Ludo, when we met for a similar kind of thing, we ended up eating a bunch of seafood,
हाँ बहुत।
and that went well.
हाँ this time also ऐसे ही
खाना
हुआ।
This time,
And Anurag go together.
yeah, then we met at Soha House or something.
हाँ something again we were eating।
Yeah.
Quick this thing chat, and so yeah.
I also met you all at Soho House once.
Yeah yeah।
Yeah.
He was also
the
there।
same day.
But we were doing the
both of
movie
us.
at that time.
Oh.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, so then so narrated a little bit of what it felt like, and it all happened quickly.
I can make out you're using food and convincing
Yeah.
everyone.
There's a pattern.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, where were you? What was that
I
call
think
like?
I came in somewhere in the end. ये सब हो चुका था।
खाना पीना हो चुका था?
हाँ मैं I think I messaged you a couple of months before, and then he randomly called. He said आजा office आए, and then I think you told me there about the story. I think I'd made up my mind.
Okay.
हाँ इतना
Yeah,
सोचते
it
नहीं
was
है
very-
दादा
You
बोलते
will
थे
think twice you tell me when it comes to Anurag.
Actually,
I
I thought about Ali when I was traveling with Richa in a flight।
Oh.
तब वही बात
हाँ
बात करते करते अच्छा हाँ ये तो बात तो सही है। So, हाँ,
Right. You know, let's discuss. Let's tell them a little more about the tracks. You know, it starts with both of you. The trailer I saw. Where you know, what can you tell them at this stage? They've seen the trailer. Now that we are close to the release, kuch aur just.
and some 3
You have to
songs.
ask him.
हाँ,
I mean,
of course.
I guess
Amazing songs.
sorry is confusion is the tagline to our
confusion
story.
confusion is the
I guess
tagline।
the both of us are confused. You guys, any of you confused? In your love lives?
They're confused about love life। अच्छा इनका
आजकल का प्यार confusing है. That's what you
Confusing.
said,
Yes.
right?
आजकल का प्यार confusing
How
है।
many of you all believe that? आजकल का प्यार confusing है?
क्यों?
Touch the chord.
Depends.
अच्छा आदि का एक और लाइन है जो ट्रेलर में नहीं आया है, वो कहता है नहीं ट्रेलर में आया वो लाइन कि आपको कैसे पता चला है कि शी इज द वन और ही इज द वन। ये नींद का ना आना, भूख ना लगना, नींदें खराब होना, आपको कैसे पता है कि मतलब पेट खराब नहीं हुआ, गैस नहीं हो गई, क्या हो गया?
Yeah, that's there. Yeah.
How will you know he's the one? तो इनका कंफ्यूजन है, इनको पता ही
So
नहीं है।
our story is a little bit about that confusion that maybe you are.
That we don't know।
And you are saying, you know, you are a commitment phobic man child. ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं मार्केट में।
नहीं नहीं किसके बॉयफ्रेंड्स ऐसे हैं पहले बताओ। हाँ
इनका तो बहुत अच्छा सा prominent आया
Camera.
She feels this.
Let her boyfriend
दिल
see
से आई
this.
आवाज
Right. So yeah, these clearly are very relatable things. You know, from like I said, like you said, we will not compare it and expect the previous Metro. This is a completely different film. You know what? क्या बदला है basically? Because we will come expecting. We've seen your work. What has changed? Time बदला है तो stories बदली है.
हाँ टाइम बदला है, स्टोरीज बदली है। एक चीज कॉमन है उस मेट्रो में इस मेट्रो में कि आप जाके कहीं भी अपने आप को पाएंगे फिल्म के अंदर। यू विल कनेक्ट योरसेल्फ, यू नो इट इज योर स्टोरी व्हिच इज अनफोल्डिंग ऑन बिग स्क्रीन। दिस इज द ओनली कॉमन थीम आई थिंक व्हिच वी हैव। द नेचर ऑफ द फिल्म इज लाइक दैट।
Right.
So I think or this time it's the unfolding of the film is in a quirky way, in a little witty fashion, it's more musical, it's a little more fun actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you changed as a personality?
Yeah, I think I have changed
You've
my
become-
person. Yeah, over the time
You changed.
हाँ,
Right.
उतना
Right.
seriously मैं लेता नहीं हूँ चीजों को आजकल।
सब लेते
पहले
Right. आप दोनों का track seems like you know so much. I just saw the trailer और उसमें इतना कुछ हो रहा है. You know, you're flying, playing Holi or something, pregnancy test and what all. What can you tell us at this stage?
क्या बोल सकते
काफी
told
कुछ.
a lot.
इनका भी हाँ उसमें भी काफी
हाँ,
ट्रेलर में
sorry.
बात मेन क्राइसिस तो ट्रेलर में हमने कोशिश की उतने समय में सब कहानी की क्राइसिस बता दे। इनकी क्राइसिस है अबाउट इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन, इनके एज ग्रुप में क्राइसिस बहुत कॉमन है टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट टू मेक द फैमिली और टू फोकस ऑन करियर।
Okay. that's
परिवार
such a
करें,
general,
education करें,
yeah.
बच्चे करें कि यार करियर पे ध्यान दे, क्या दिस कैन वेट,
Wow.
विल डू इट लेटर। ये कंफ्यूजन में आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द कपल्स आर एट दिस एज।
Yeah. Yeah.
तो शादी के 3 साल के बाद अब वाला होता है ना, उसके बाद अब क्या अगला
How
स्टेप।
interesting. Right. Which part of all this, everything seems so relatable. Which part did you particularly relate to? You're like, wow, this could be me. This could be us. Like,
Oh, but you know, I haven't seen all the
Yeah, from whatever you've heard in
tracks, but from what I think I relate to my track quite a lot because I maybe because of the age group,
Right.
and that young love confused, so I feel I'm past a little bit, hopefully.
Right.
But what I also like about our track with Pankaj and I is that, you know, we usually don't see, okay, true love hua, बहुत प्यार हुआ, ये वो हुआ, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, 10 साल, 20 साल क्या किए? So that little bit of, you know, boredom or monotony that sets in, and how to deal with that, and that's a normal part of even a good relationship.
Right, fair
can
enough.
have some element of monotony.
Right.
So how to deal with that, and that has been done in a very humorous way.
Funny
So
way.
that
Right,
I like.
Right. Adi, what, you know, from not just see, you'll have not seen much maybe, but from all the 25, 30 interviews you'll have done today, what part do you think you relate to? Whose story do you relate to? Ki, wow, this
Whose
could be.
story do I relate to? I guess I haven't been in that situation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thankfully so. And neither have I been in that one. And definitely not been in Anupam Sir's. So I think technically I would
Okay.
relate to this. the
Okay,
most,
okay.
yeah.
Sarah, do you relate to any of these problems in your film?
I think, like Adi said, three of them are like out of syllabus.
Okay.
But I don't know.
ये तो syllabus में है ना?
नहीं, सिर्फ हमारी कहानी शायद आदि और मेरी कहानी सिलेबस में हो सकती है,
Okay.
but I don't know if I fully like my character in this film is confused, really confused. I'm little confused.
Little confused.
So
Your characters, sorry.
बोलो,
No,
नहीं बोलो.
Arab, just
Say na.
But it doesn't start off like that, na? She sorted also.
She starts
sorted
off
also.
sorted.
बाद में
Yeah,
confuse हो जाता
Yeah, so I still am mentally in the sorted stage. It's only
Yeah,
like
yeah.
maybe later I'll discover that I'm confused. That's what happens with her.
है. Right, right.
So
Yeah. You both, what part? Your own story or anyone else's? Any track that you think, wow, this is very close to life, close to home?
Totally rings. Like I could easily fall in this.
Wow.
This, but in real life, no.
No.
It's the total opposite.
Okay.
because-
हाँ सही बात
Yeah, but you could identify the.
But I could, yeah, the issues, you know, I could like.
when they were
see.
thinking to have the family or not, he's the reacher already expecting the child to मतलब
Yeah.
Right.
Oh yeah, yeah, man.
Yeah.
नॉट फॉर मी, मैं वहां पर हुई
हुई
नहीं
नहीं, okay.
ना मैंने
Fair enough.
मतलब रिलेशनशिप में भी, लाइफ में भी, मेंटली भी मैं वहां तक पहुंची ही
पहुंची
नहीं.
नहीं. Okay.
So
You can
I-
have this option also, and
या सो आई एम यहाँ पे भी
options
नहीं, आई एम यहाँ का तो मुझे ज्यादा पता नहीं
Okay,
है,
हाँ.
बट
यहाँ
वो जो घर है ना उस घर
मुझे घर है उसके अंदर.
Right.
तो मैं थोड़ा दूर हूँ.
चलो लेट्स पुट योर डायरेक्टर इन द स्पॉट. इनमें से कौन सी पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस आए हैं, किसकी आसपास में लाइफ से लिए हैं?
अरे हर कहानी में आई है, हर में आई है, और कोको की कहानी में तो काफी आई है.
हाँ, so
और
interesting.
तानी तो कहती है, अरे यार ये हमारा सीन डाल दिया तुमने, ये सीन क्यों डाल दिए? वो सबकी कहानी, सब
That's
थोड़ा
also
सा,
real.
हाँ,
Right.
it's very real. So,
Nice. You know, like I told you, I remember the previous Metro by heart. I can tell you lines, and so just, you know, I know a lot of people must have asked you what, you know, you all miss Irfan. I'm not going to ask you any of that. I'm just going to ask you. Those are my favorite scenes. You know, when he comes, that when you are saying I love you, and he says, but ये कपड़े तो किसी और के बन गए. Which is your scene that stays with you? There's one scene where he takes you on the rooftop and says, "Chillao," and just you all scream out.
Actually, you know, working with Anurag and Irfan, I mean, I don't know, this obviously will never happen again.
Right.
But so it was very, very special. I can't, even the smallest things were amazing. There was a small scene in the office where I think I was doing something and something fell down. Irfan saw it, threw something else. We started laughing. Anurag said, "This only, I want this only, do it again." Again, we were throwing things, laughing.
That's-
You know, then one was the rooftop scene where we were screaming. And in that,
I remember हम लोग पतंग उड़ा रहे थे, मैं इरफान शॉट के पहले.
अच्छा?
हाँ, we were flying kites, and then because the jeep was there getting ready, और इतना quickly हुआ ना, we never, हम लोग इतना seriously किए भी नहीं पूरे कहानी को, हम लोग just करते गए ऐसा,
It had a great effect.
ऐसे
you
कर
know.
लेते वैसे
That
कर
scene where
लेते.
they are sitting at the
It happened like how everything happens with Anurag.
You don't realize.
Everything
That
happens
scene where
like
they
this
are sitting at the
so
sea
easily.
face,
Yeah, yeah.
वहाँ sea face पे बात कर रहे हैं कि मेरी शादी हो जाएगी, मेरी वाइफ बोलेगी आपसे बात नहीं करने तो मैं नहीं करूँगा. Those are hilarious
But you
scenes.
know
also.
that scene on the beach.
हाँ.
I don't know if you remember Anurag. It's a small scene on the beach.
दो बार.
And not do, but
तीन बार.
it's happened at 4 times. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah. Because-
Different beaches. It's because it's Magica and we could shoot only for 15 minutes with the whole crew. We would go to the beach, we'd say 2 lines and then it was over. Then again, 1 month later, we'd go to some other beach and sit there and say 2 lines.
then there was a combined shot I had to take with the band and both of them. Already 4 बार shoot कर चुका, डेटें खत्म हो गई, कुछ है ही नहीं. Coco and Irfan were not there and band के साथ combined shot shoot करना था. So वो दोनों ADs बैठे मेरे पीछे वहाँ पे. And उसमें से एक, हाँ, I had no female ADs that time. तो Coco का कपड़ा सुनील ने पहना था.
There were some people from the crew also from the previous film.
Same, all of
Right, right. Anurag, are you you're so good with ensemble. Are you personally, do you enjoy ensemble films? You're also making, a film with one hero, one heroine. What is the big difference for you?
I find it very challenging.
This is challenging.
हाँ, initially when you start thinking about the film, आपको सब it's all like entering a dark tunnel without any torch, all काला सब कुछ. फिर धीरे-धीरे आपको सब रोशनी दिखती है, and slowly it unfolds. So that's the fun of writing this kind of film. आपको लगता है कि शायद नहीं होगा, I have to shelve it. That's how you begin. Thinking कि अभी नहीं मतलब film लिखते समय. When you start writing it, आपको लगता है I'll not be able to crack it and maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks down the line ऐसा होगा नहीं. फिर वो challenge जो है मजा आता है. And writing this kind of film makes you write other films makes it very easy because your exercise of writing story and ensemble cast बाकी कहानियां फिर आसान हो जाती है.
At what point do you feel you've cracked it? कि हो गया?
When you have the structure in the head ready and how the 4 stories are coming and what is the domino effect which is affecting each other's story, that if you crack that base. और problem क्या होता है ensemble film के साथ is like audience तो अलग-अलग कहानियां नहीं देखने जा रही ना, वो एक film देखने जा रही है.
That's true. Yeah.
It has to have a graph of one film, highs and lows and highs and lows, emotions to make you cry at the same time, laugh at the same time, all these stories. वो साथ में होना चाहिए. तो ऐसा तो नहीं लगना चाहिए कि यार एक संतूर अलग सुर में बजा रहे हैं, एक सारंगी अलग बजा रहे हैं, गिटार अलग बजा रहे हैं, फिर शोर हो जाएगा, म्यूजिक तो बजेगा नहीं. तो वो अचीव करना while writing becomes very tough.
And every scene matters.
Every scene matters, हर चीज का है. और इतना होता है कि एडिट में आप कुछ बाद में निकालना मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि इतना कनेक्टेड आपको लगे यार ये अभी I had really was struggling to make it tight because
it's weaved in such
even though it's all they have not shot together all of them but there is a effect of one story to
emotional continuity
हाँ वो सब तो बहुत टफ है थोड़ा, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ लास्ट इसके बाद नहीं करूँगा मैं.
नहीं ऐसे मत.
मैं हाइपरलिंक फिल्म करना बहुत मुश्किल है.
Sara, from all the sets you've been on, what is his set? How is his set different?
बोल अच्छा बोल.
बोलो.
I think what to say.
Yeah, we put you exactly on the spot. What can you say?
I'm wondering how to say it. I think that
Can you?
how do you frame this?
बोल क्या बोलना चाहती है बोल, हम फ्रेम कर देंगे.
अच्छा,
आप कान बंद कर दो.
The food angle was a good one.
नहीं
Don't
अरे she doesn't eat only, she eats healthy food.
No. I think that there's less pressure on you.
Okay.
I think. I think because ज़्यादा time नहीं होता preparation का. You find out like.
That doesn't sound like a compliment or
It
something
is.
to
It
him.
is.
Yeah.
It really is
Okay.
because it's very liberating. Because
Okay.
it's actually really not on you.
Okay.
He gives it to you and then you just have to live with it spontaneously and do it in the moment, which I think
Amazing.
is sometimes really very good
Yeah.
because kabhi-kabhar, you overthink, you over-prepare, it gets, अटक जाते हो उसी तरीके में, I think that there's a spontaneity that Sir captures just because it is the first time we're doing it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So yeah, I
He's
think
chasing magic. तो I think वो जब suddenly आपको वहाँ पे फेंकते हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ मैजिकल निकल आ जाता है और सिर्फ उनके लिए नहीं हमारे लिए भी. तो वो जो पूरा प्रोसेस है it's very empowering and liberating.
Yeah, it is liberating because you know that there's somebody there to watch. It's not like कि जो भी करो, it's there's somebody who has a vision of it and like allows you to discover it and it's really magical. There's no way I can explain.
जो हर इंटरव्यू में बोलता हूँ मेरे मैं ऐसा क्यों करता हूँ और एक कारण है. सॉरी फंस गया दांत में.
पान खा के आए.
निकल गया
पाव भाजी.
या निकल गया.
ठीक है.
खाने की बात कर रहे थे तो
क्या होता है आई डोंट नो व्हेन टू पुट फुल स्टॉप. द सीन जो है ना सीन अभी ये सीन में ये कर देंगे वो कर देंगे चलते रहता दिमाग आखिरी तक. इफ आई कम्युनिकेट टू एक्टर्स मे बी ए वीक बिफोर मैंने बोल दिया इन्होंने सीन ले लिया इन्होंने तैयारी कर ली और मैंने बाद में बदला सो हम कितना भी अच्छा कर लो ना सीन को, कितनी भी अच्छे से कर लो, हमेशा एक्टर को लगा अरे यार ये मिसिंग है कुछ, क्योंकि मैं वैसा सोच के आया था, मैं वैसा सोच के आई थी और इन्होंने बदल दिया। तो वो आखिरी मोमेंट में ही जो बन रहा है, मतलब उसी के साथ अगर सब इन्वॉल्व हो जाए, क्योंकि वो अक्सर हमेशा लगेगा अरे यार ये तो यार कुछ और था मेरे दिमाग में, कुछ और हो गया।
Sometimes he lets the camera also just roll. Scene end हो गया है technically, I think, but it just kept rolling. And some things used to just work out.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah. Adi, how does that work for you? Like,
If you messed up, to not allow the pressure to come on you, he'll give a gali to someone else.
I know.
I messed up because as an actor, as you do take 2, take 3, take 4, the pressure keeps rising.
Yeah.
So I mean, then so he will abuse the gaffer, or he'll abuse the one
No, आदि के लिए मैं अपने एडिटर को बोल के रखा, always check the second and third take. तो first take, no, आदि is always second take उसका अच्छा हो जाता है, third take उसका that's sir one more. He has thing of improving every time.
Right.
But I think I get the best on his first or second take only. Then it's Adi who wants to better it every time.
Oh, how interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, so that way, that's a good ploy to not allow pressure on the actor. He said, I messed up. And sometimes he'll say, action, you're not ready yet, but it's like, oh, you start saying the dialogue. I mean, so there are many techniques. Many techniques.
Nice. So आप किसको डांटते हो अगर एक्टर को नहीं बोलना है तो who gets it आसपास?
कोई भी
जो दिख जाए.
No, there will come a day when someone is going to get it.
लपेटे में जो आ जाता है.
And हाँ आदि ना पता नहीं.
Darkna is also whatever I've seen.
It's not toxic
a very
darkna.
real
No,
one.
it's not.
नहीं.
It's just now I have to raise my voice, so I will. It's not something
आदि
which
ने
has
देखा
any
है
malice.
आदि disagrees.
I've never come across it.
नहीं.
There'll be some mess up, some production mess up.
Okay.
So then you have to just stay away. Don't go.
Yeah. ये भी last shoot में ऐसे आदि walked down, he came to me and then he just walked away. Then he came and said hi to me. Then I was very nicely once.
That's true. Yeah.
कब आया?
Even I was there.
हाँ तीनों दोनों आए नहीं मेरे पास. इन्हें पता है लॉन्ग शॉट में समझ जाते हैं क्या हो रहा है.
हम लोग ने
temperature.
हम लोग समझ गए.
All ADs and actors figure out how to work around the director. I remember, like Mr. Bansali's ADs were saying, हम ना जब भी सर गुस्सा होते हैं हम कुत्ते भेज देते हैं. तो he is always very happy with dogs or something. So everyone figures the direction.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Tell me about the music. Such a big part of your film. What should we expect this time?
Great. Yeah, I think ये more than my film is Pritam's film.
Yes.
Because Pritam and it's
Genius.
our baby, this film. और I think Pritam has done outstanding job with this film and बाकी तो अभी आप सुन ही रहे गाने. I think best is still to come out.
Right. Cool. So we'll come to some audience questions. I have some fun questions. Before that, we have a bowl with some. What do you want to do? Some rapid fire first or bowl के questions first?
आप
I'll
जो
tell you
बोलो.
what this is. चलो let's do
Bowl
this.
के question.
Bowl.
हाँ तो मेरे क्वेश्चन नहीं चाहिए. वाह.
नहीं वो
नहीं
मतलब
दो ही कर रहे हैं.
looking colorful.
नहीं इसमें सबके लिए एक क्वेश्चन है. एक चिट है. ये कोई मॉडर्न डे प्रॉब्लम्स है लोगों के जिन्होंने भेजे हैं. आप पढ़ेंगे और आप सोल्यूशन देंगे.
अच्छा हम लोग आएंगे.
all the best.
ये फातिमा.
It's a good one. I've come up with.
अच्छा एक टाइम पे एक नहीं.
हाँ एकदम एक. Yeah, you can start reading yours and.
अच्छा
ये किसी बंदे को
पढ़ दो यार, बंदे का है.
है ही नहीं मेरी कुछ है.
है. मुझे दिख रही है. What you? Adi, read your question and.
but there-
Adi,
there's
read
a-
it.
बहुत टाइम है. बहुत टाइम है. हाँ.
I am 25, male. I have fallen for my boss. She is smart, confident, and everything I admire. But I don't know how to tell her without making things awkward or risking my job.
Sir, genuine
ये ना ये बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सिचुएशन है. वर्क स्पेस में प्यार हो ही जाता है.
हो ही जाता है.
Yeah, but
है ना,
what
हो
is-
जाता है.
what
अभी 2400 घंटे 12 घंटे किसी के साथ काम करोगे,
Yeah.
उसकी शक्ल देखोगे, कुत्ते से भी प्यार हो जाता है. तो इंसान क्या ही चीज है.
Oh my God.
सही बात.
Like you're talking about people. Yeah, even in offices.
Yeah.
So
But then offices have those HR things, no rules and all.
but the problem is कि क्या है ना, वर्क स्पेस में पावर गेम भी होता है.
हाँ.
तो यू कैन नॉट अब्यूज द पावर. सो ये ना मैं नहीं कुछ बोल सकती. आई एम सॉरी.
आप हेल्प लेना चाहोगे किसी से? फोन
क्या सवाल तुम्हें?
सवाल ये है कि भाई उसको अपने बॉस से प्यार हो गया है. औरत है बट उसकी बॉस है.
नहीं मेल है.
नहीं, आदमी मेल है. मतलब जिसने उसने पूछा है वो मर्द है।
उसको औरत से प्यार हो गया फिर
उसको औरत बॉस से प्यार हो गया, उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा कि भाई मैं उसको बोलूं, जाहिर करूं प्यार या नहीं करूं।
हाँ
कर देना चाहिए।
मुझे भी लगता है कर
जॉब से निकाल देंगे उसको।
मैं जॉब
अरे
निकाल
कोई
दे।
निकालेगी फिर
True
क्या?
job, then what is a job?
चलो कर लो,
चलो कर लो
कर लो।
जॉब पूछ लो,
जा, जी,
और
लगा।
अगर
हाँ।
बोल दो।
बोल दो
एकदम
अगर
बोल।
जॉब चली गई तो
उसको
दूसरा
लिंगर
ही-
Time of life.
लंबा नहीं खींचना चाहिए किसी
हाँ
I agree.
सही सारा
She's one of my closest friends, and she's getting married next month. Presumably not to him.
या
Yeah. I've loved her quietly for years.
Oh no.
Do I tell her before it's too late? I mean, define too late, right? She's getting married. Okay. Do I tell her before it's too late or let her go and live with regret? If he's already saying,
राज ना अपना
हाँ।
नंदू में
if he's already saying all these words, I think the answer's here only, na? I've loved her quietly.
If you loved her, let her go.
Nahi, sir. What do you mean? Do I let her? Do I
if
tell
she's
her?
happy,
But he should tell
He
if
should
she's
tell-
happy, then
Yeah,
she's
she's
let her
happy.
go.
No,
He
no,
should
but
tell
sir,
her once
see-
that she should decide.
No, sorry. See the
Maybe it's
nuance
safe to.
and live with the regret. तो अगर इसको ऑलरेडी लग रहा है कि पश्चाताप में पूरी जिंदगी
अरे
कट जा रही है तो बोल
वो
दीजिए।
बता दो
नहीं नहीं नहीं।
He can tell her after the
देखो
marriage.
That's
Real test of love is
ऐसे
there.
ऐसे बात
guys.
शादी के बाद
Call her on the honeymoon and be like,
one second
babe,
one second Ali you want to explain why
नहीं मतलब he knows that she's probably not into him.
okay हाँ
If she's really going and she's happy and marrying somebody else, then it's a safe thing, right? After that, it's like, hey man, listen, I also loved you.
In case you wanna come back.
But
Like
no,
that. No, when he's doing it, it's still
that's also good.
yeah, like, hey man,
हाँ.
if there's any chance that
Yeah,
this
बोल
is
देना
a
चाहिए.
genuine thing,
okay
then I really
अभी
feel
बोलना
that
चाहिए.
he should
हाँ,
go
he should.
and tell her.
tell her
Never
बताओ
even
देखो
regret.
क्या क्या
तब तक जाके
क्या
बोल दो.
उन्हें उसको बोलना चाहिए देख मैं तुझसे प्यार करता हूँ लेकिन तू खुश है ना तो मैं भी खुश हूँ तू जा
हाँ बोलने का तरीका
मतलब चेप बन के नहीं बोल,
अभी-
then maybe she'll come back also.
सर 1920 में इतनी
Points.
मैच्योरिटी तो नहीं होती है तो आई थिंक
Oh, how do you know it's 90?
हम लोग पता है
मस्ट बी आई गेस
क्या पता?
चलो
यस
Okay, I've been seeing someone for over a year now. I love her, but every time I bring up the future, she shuts down. Am I wasting my time hoping she'll eventually want the same things?
ask her why.
Conversation.
communication.
Communication is
Tell her,
key.
you ask her. Yeah.
I'll ask.
पर उसने
He asked, yeah.
उसने पूछा तो सही, वो बेचारा कम्युनिकेट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, वो बोल रही है कि नहीं
She's
मुझे नहीं
shutting
करना।
down. I feel like this is.
वो बोल रही है कि
she's
मुझे नहीं
shutting
करना।
down. She doesn't want. Then
No,
you have to
but
respect
shutting
that.
down is a strong word. It could be some trauma also.
Yeah.
पता नहीं कुछ होगा.
Yeah.
अभी
Chat
थेरेपिस्ट
about
थोड़ी
it.
ना उसकी
No, so talk
उसका-
about
उसकी।
it.
They'll have to talk about
Yeah.
it.
Chit-chat.
Figure it out for
Communication is
themselves.
कम्युनिकेशन या
Chalo.
Yeah.
Let's see mine. I am 25. She's 34. She has a son and is still healing from her past. But I have never felt this kind of emotional connection with anyone else. Is it wrong to want more from her?
No, it's
No,
not
it's not wrong.
इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग
Yeah, why? What is
Oh,
wrong?
no, what is
What is the
right
problem? There's
and
no
wrong?
problem only.
नहीं, शादीशुदा है या नहीं है? वो
Not
लोग-
looking like he's not specified. I'm imagining.
हाँ son and she's still healing from her past
Past. Okay.
But I've never felt this kind of thing. Is it wrong to want more from her?
No,
No,
it's not wrong.
not wrong.
it's right only.
But
Easy
the
question.
problem is that he wants more, and she may be.
But
Because she's still healing.
Then time.
Yeah, time is a great
So,
healer.
Good problem.
थैंक्स दादा आपका क्वेश्चन
I have been in a relationship for 2 years, but recently I met someone new
Oh no.
who makes me feel things
Oh, no.
I haven't in a long time. I don't want to hurt anyone, but I'm confused. अच्छा
This is the worst stage.
देखो क्या है इश्क जो है ना लव जो है ना
हाँ
अच्छे वाईफाई की तरह होता
अच्छा
है गुड वाईफाई इनविजिबल होता है लेकिन आपको कनेक्ट कराता है आपकी
अरे
इमोशन के
वाह
साथ
हाँ।
सो ये अगर ये नया वाईफाई ज्यादा स्ट्रांग है पुराने से और आपके नीड्स फुलफिल करता है तो गो विद द न्यू वाईफाई ना सिग्नल जिसमें ज्यादा है सिग्नल कभी ड्रॉप होता है बढ़ता है प्यार इश्क तो ऐसी वाईफाई सिग्नल भी ऐसे है।
1 minute.
That's why he said it. That's why he said it.
नहीं सुनो अभी पूरी बात तो खत्म नहीं हुआ ना तो क्या है पूरी बात तो खत्म नहीं हुआ आप नहीं देखो आगे क्या बोला था सुनो उसके देखो अभी पलटी मारो सुनो अभी क्या है मैं आगे क्या बताऊं वाईफाई कभी सिग्नल लो होता है कभी हाई होता है हमेशा कंसिस्टेंट तो नहीं होता है सिग्नल वीक होने से आप उस वाईफाई के कनेक्शन को तो नहीं छोड़ दोगे ना
अरे
अभी
बात है
Wi-Fi. I'm thinking it's wife.
That's the subset.
सिग्नल कम होता ज्यादा होता वीक होता है कई बार
या दो वाईफाई होने चाहिए हाँ
दो वाईफाई
Only after very long you can
हाँ
change.
बात तो सही है, ये हॉटस्पॉट
हाँ correct, yeah.
Oh, okay.
हाँ
पहली बार तो एग्री किया मैं तुमसे
हैं?
क्या पकड़ा yeah well done क्या पकड़ा
Got him.
हाँ
We hang out all the time.
oh wow
Promising.
कहाँ
I'm always there for her.
कहाँ
पता नहीं. But she keeps talking about other guys.
कहाँ
I'm in love with her, but I'm stuck in the friend zone.
oh friends on
How do I get out without losing her?
अरे रे
You've lost her.
You've lost her. You never had her.
Why?
Arey, she's. What do you read it again?
We hang out all the time.
So
I'm always there for her,
Good.
but she keeps talking about other guys.
So you don't have her.
But she
he
feels
wants to
comfortable
try
talking about other
he
guys.
wants to try
तो फ्रेंडशिप से तो अभी तुम लोग बड़ा पिछले इंटरव्यू में बोल रहे थे फ्रेंडशिप होनी
That's
चाहिए
also
पहले
there.
फ्रेंडशिप.
अरे लेकिन फ्रेंड जोन कर लिया
Friendship
ना
से ज्यादा भी होना चाहिए.
हाँ,
ना?
very interested.
How does he get out of the friend zone?
No,
हाँ,
but
yeah
She's not
that's all
interested.
how
She's
do
not
I
interested.
get
But you
out
never
without
know.
losing her?
without losing
We
her
have to give a solution,
should he
guys.
try he wants to try it looks like
Solution hope like
no
this.
solution नहीं दे रहे हो he wants to try
Fatima.
He wants to try helping
Bole.
with the try.
अरे
Yeah.
super
How do I get out without losing her?
पहले तो
अरे
भाई बोल
कोशिश तो
दो
कर यार
बोल दो
हाँ.
अगर उसने मना कर दिया तो फिर चेप मत बनना तो छोड़ देना और उसको मतलब स्पेस दे देना
हाँ मतलब
Simple
ये
सी
जो
बात है.
You think she doesn't know?
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ
She knows, she knows.
you know
अभी-
ये सारे क्वेश्चन है ना
Ah, she knows.
he is looking for a black cat in the dark room which is not there
Yeah.
ah, okay
Wow.
wow these examples are amazing
No, but it's probably there.
It's not there.
Schrödinger.
लड़कियों को बताओ.
I agree.
good it's great that you all are
Any
not
questions?
yeah
We haven't helped the last
yeah,
person.
you
I
all
feel
are not-
bad. I think we were
Ghost
way
her.
more
नहीं सही
lenient
बोला
to everybody
Yeah,
else.
difficult कर रहा है
Ghost her.
difficult है चलो they've been waiting so let's do
Yes.
the audience question
हाँ जी,
first raise
बोलिए.
your hand I'll tell you yeah who wants to ask yes
ask
Hi, I'm Ananya, and my question is for Anurag sir.
Yay.
While making this movie, how did you miss Irfan sir and KK sir?
yeah I missed my only memories good memories whatever memories I have from old metro is with them इरफान केके अभी वो पुरानी मेट्रो की सोचता हूँ ना सिर्फ वही याद आता है मुझे और केके याद आता है इनफैक्ट आई वांट टू ऐड टू मोर नेम्स जो आप लोगों को नहीं पता है बॉबी सिंह वाज द सिनेमेटोग्राफर ऑफ ओल्ड मेट्रो वेरी डियर फ्रेंड रजत पोदार हु वाज आर्ट प्रोडक्शन डिजाइनर ऑफ ओल्ड मेट्रो वी वर लाइक थिक फ्रेंड्स ऑल ऑफ अस सो दे आर नॉट हियर टुडे
yeah
और आई मिस ऑल ऑफ देम
yeah who wants to yeah please
Hi, my name is Nikita and I make perfumes for a living.
Wow.
And Aditya and Sara, the jodi looks great on screen. So my questions are for you two. Sara, you're such an inspiration for all young girls out there. And I actually have people who come to me, show me your photo, and they're like, can you make something that will smell exactly like her? So can you tell me what is your go-to perfume or something that you like wearing? Like, what's your type?
In terms of like smell, I like musky flavor.
but she smells good actually
Yeah.
You want to know the secret?
But,
They want to smell like she looks.
but see, I like musky flavors, but actually what I usually land up smelling of is like chandan and vibhuti and all of that. You know, those like those oils and all I like.
Very nice.
So it's both.
Nice.
Either like oriental musky perfumes or like chandan and vibhuti.
Noted. I'm going to go back and make that combination. Now, Aditya, girls drool over you. Like, see, everybody agrees.
Yeah.
One photo of you on Instagram and my friends send it to me on DM saying my 11/11 wish. Okay?
yeah 11 wish
Really, it's true. So, can you tell us that if a girl has to gift you a perfume, what type of fragrance do you like?
What type? I've been wearing the same perfume I think for the longest time. Some Chanel blue bottle.
Blue de Chanel?
Is that? Yeah, that's what it's called. Yeah.
Perfect.
I don't. Yeah. So yeah, just give me that.
सब लोग सुन लो
Thank you.
thank you yeah yes please take the mic from her
Hi, my name is Daraksha, and I have a small request for Sara ma'am. If you could do like a small shairi for Aditya sir,
For Adi?
Of course.
Oh.
something.
Okay, you help me. Give me the first line. Yeah.
yeah
You're the pro, ma'am.
No, you give me one line.
कुछ तो देना
One
पड़ेगा.
line देना
एक
देना
तो
पड़ेगा.
line दे दो.
ChatGPT.
Any line.
अच्छा, start with जब से आपकी आंखों में देखा है.
Oh, she had one line.
I shouldn't have asked her.
Good one. Now you have to follow up.
Yeah.
आगे follow up.
जब से तुम्हारी आंखों में देखा है आंखों में दिखता है शक.
जब से तुमने आंखों में देखा है, आंखों में दिखता है शक. वाह वाह.
फिर तुम बोलोगे What the fuck? What the duck? What the duck?
Thank you.
शायरी करना है मेरा हक, मेरा हक, मेरा हक.
Wow. आगे बात.
Big hand,
It's शायरी
yeah.
song.
You don't suck. You don't suck. You don't suck.
Good video.
I don't thug. I don't thug. I don't thug.
Oh man.
This is some, yeah.
I go buck. I go buck. I go buck.
Wow, yeah. और है.
This was your luck. This was your luck.
Big hand. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
हमारे फैमिली चैनल को भी बचा दिया.
है ना?
Yeah.
What the duck?
Yeah.
What the duck? What the duck? I love
Yes.
it.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Hi.
very nice.
Yeah, very good.
Hi, my
इतना
name
तो मैं नहीं
is
सोच
Khushi.
खुशी tell
And
us.
my question is for Adi sir. I am a really big fan of yours.
Yeah.
And okay, my favorite movie is Okay Janu of yours. So I just wanted to ask if are you gonna do another movie with Shraddha like that?
I mean, it'd be cool to do a movie together for sure, but someone has to like come up with an idea. So yeah, for sure, if something nice comes up.
I really love you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, hello everyone.
Hi.
Myself Markson. So my question is for Ali sir. First of all, congratulations of becoming a dad.
Thank you.
And so the question is, which is that one movie of yours you would want your daughter to watch definitely?
ये 4 जुलाई को ये मैं देख लूं. Maybe.
Maybe after that.
I saw a cool movie yesterday. That Flow. Flow.
Flow.
Lovely. There's some animals and all.
Or
Yeah.
AI,
Oh, yeah.
everything.
A lot of AI was used. Yeah, but maybe definitely I think Metro. है ना?
Yeah.
I think.
Yes.
Thank you.
I would.
Thank you for having
Yeah.
us.
Thank you.
Pass
Good
the mic.
evening, everyone. My name is Kalp Shah, and my question is to Fatima ma'am. What is that one thing that you won't tolerate in your relationship based on your past experience?
Based on my
My past experience. हाँ, सब तो basis पे based होता है ना.
That's fair.
If somebody is cheating on me, I don't think I'll give another chance.
क्या करेगी तुम्हारी?
नहीं भाई तू निकल ले. दोस्ती सही है. टाइम वेस्ट मत कर.
Well,
ऐसे लोगों के साथ दोस्त भी नहीं होना
हाँ, मैं वही बोलने वाली थी.
दोस्ती क्या करना है?
दोस्ती का क्या?
मतलब बोलने के लिए नहीं बोलने के लिए बोल रही हूँ. अरे यार
नहीं नहीं. Back up.
अरे बोलने के लिए बोल रही हूँ. कौन सा
अच्छा.
बोलने के लिए कौन सा
अगला question.
Next question.
Hello, my name is Amigala, and question from Konkana ma'am. Can we expect wake up Sid to what could Sid and Aisha life look like according to you?
Sorry, what?
Wake up, Sid too. What would Aisha and Sid's life be according to you?
much like Pankaj.
How interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, interesting.
All roads are headed to Pankaj and Kajol. I think Wake Up Sid to part 2 नहीं होना चाहिए because वहाँ पे it ended quite happily. Yeah. And I think eventually after maybe 10 years Aisha would think that Sid is a man child only. Na?
Yeah. Right. Okay, one more question. Anyone has a question for director साहब? Please raise your hand.
अरे नहीं director sir.
हाँ नहीं पूछना पड़ेगा. Tough question पूछ लो director को.
Hello everyone, my name is Sukanya, and I have written a poem for you, Konkana ma'am, and I'm your Bangali.
Oh, how sweet.
And I was like, मुझे अगर क्वेश्चन पूछने नहीं मिला मैं मतलब ऑलरेडी मैं रोने के लिए तैयार हो चुकी थी. It's like that. So with your permission, can I?
Yes, please.
Okay. Oye, suno na. Let me tell you straight. Konkona is magic, no debate. Not just an actress, she's a vibe, a whole mood we can't describe. Mr. and Mrs. Iyer, yaar, what a ride. She broke me, healed me, side by side. That subtle smile, those honest tears, she's been winning hearts for years. Wake up, Sid, oof, Don't even start. Aisha stole not just Sid's heart. Independent first, living her dream, made us all wanna chase our own theme. Page 3, where's the glitz were fake, but Konkona, real for heaven's sake. She walked through lies, through highs and lows, and made us see what the world never shows. Lipstick under my burqa, boom. She slayed. Told the world, move, I'm not afraid. Fought for dreams under locked up skies. She gave up silence, 1,000 cries. Life in a metro, she made it feel that love is messy, but heartbreak's real. She made me cry, she made me think. She's poetry, she's the missing link. Konkona yaar, you're not just a star, you're the kind of artist who never leaves a scar. From screen to heart, your stories stay. A fan like me will always say, तू acting की queen है, बाकी सब scene है.
Oh, big hand. Well done.
How sweet.
Well done.
Also, I want an autograph. I'll take that after.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Definitely.
Thank you very
So
much.
sweet.
Very sweet.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Sukanya.
Sukanya. Thank you.
What is Sukanya? Get it?
Yeah.
What is Sukanya? Get it?
Yeah.
Which is
Well done. Well done.
Something
Oh,
What
sorry.
is
Okay,
Sukanya?
last
Kau tu
question.
bhalu
Yeah.
mein.
Sukanya, yeah.
Okay, one last question.
Question.
Yeah, one last question from the audience. And
Hi, my name is Samaira Shrestha. I'm from Kathmandu, Nepal. And my question is for Anurag, sir. So we have always been watching trans women, especially in a Bollywood, we have always been watching a trans woman in a role which is like a kind of vamp, villain, prostitute, sex worker, or like not a character of a comedian, it's comedy itself. So me as a trans woman actor, how, like, where can I see myself in a industry? I mean, like, is there a possibility of trans women playing straight characters, just a character, or only a trans woman, or like, as a director, what do you see as a trans woman as a character, or only a transgender woman are possibly for their gender identity
Sure.
or sexual orientation?
yeah, no, yeah.
Yeah, no, absolutely. See, you're coming here asking me this question. That shows. See, there are a lot of filmmakers right now. Time is changing. A lot of stories been told, and the representation of transgender people, and I think it is changing. You know, you can see it in OTT. You can also see it in web series. I think people. If I have to cast somebody, I'll cast 100%. Why not? Definitely. I'm so lucky because, you know, if I get an actor who's a transgender and who is there when I'm doing casting, who is available, why not? ये पहले नहीं था, you know, 2 साल 3 साल पहले.
So it doesn't matter what, you know,
Absolutely
who is in front of you, as long as they can act.
If you're a good actor, you're a good actor.
Yeah.
And if you're a good actor, if you're talented, that doesn't matter at all for us. No, never.
Specifically, I just wanted to ask, can I see myself like in a character of a straight woman?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Straight woman. That's what I said. Why not? If you're talented, you're talented. Period. You know, it doesn't matter.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Quickly, I have some fun questions. We should end on a happy, positive note. Some fun rapid fire. What's the one dating term of today that you absolutely hate? You're like, ये क्या है?
बेंचिंग है ना वो.
क्या होता है?
एक को साइड में रख के दूसरे को
वो सब
बिठाना.
एक को बिठाना, एक के साथ बात करना,
Benching.
टाइम वेस्ट करना.
Something romantic that someone did for you and you're like, अभी तक याद है यार, this was so sweet.
I hate these questions.
What?
Because there's no answer to them, yaar.
Okay, I'll give you another question.
Really, yeah. Please give me
But
another
has
question.
someone
done something romantic for me that I remember? No.
Okay.
No, nothing.
No.
Don't get angry with me.
But it's a hurtful question. Why you don't ask me these questions?
Okay, ठीक है, चलो. What's the weirdest place you went on a date?
Weirdest place I went on a date.
You like weird questions, basically. That's the bottom line.
Yeah. Weirdest place I went on a date.
पहाड़ों में.
Sorry,
Pass.
yaar. Pass, man.
You think we'll come back to you? For
Yeah,
that?
think
about it.
That was a good question, I feel.
Yeah,
I'm
thanks.
going to come to you for that question. Something romantic that someone did for you, and you're like, wow, I remember this. It's sweet. It'll stay with me.
I remember one incident which I don't think was a very good decision, but somebody didn't go to the institute of their choice to stay in the same city. You know, which is really.
Oh,
but I don't know if that's really something that anybody should do.
Okay, you're not recommending it, right? Adi, what is the one thing you did for someone that you think was super romantic, boss?
Arey wow. Ordered dinner.
Wow. We're blown away.
Yeah, no, I don't know, yaar. Something romantic I did. I think took a flight to surprise them for their birthday.
Nice.
Yeah, that's
Nice.
sweet.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Sir, to you, something romantic that people think is romantic, but actually वो toxic है. Do you think there's something that you feel there are so many
Surprises.
things? What?
Sorry to
Why?
interrupt.
Why?
She has an answer.
I think that.
You give the answer.
Yeah,
you do that.
that's what I feel.
Why
That
means
was
what do you mean surprises?
just मैं आ गया क्या कर रही है I love it.
Yeah.
No, I don't
No,
love
I
it.
agree though. You know, because sometimes it's like I'm a little bit checking.
Yeah.
Also.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here now. Yeah.
Oh my
So
god.
you have no say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then clearly I'm a toxic person because I love all of that.
Hello. Hello.
This is from experience?
No.
Oh, generally.
Just imagining. Hello. I'm going to think of this
Everything
all
comes from
day.
experience.
Right.
Of course.
Same question. Yeah, you know,
what?
something that people say कि बहुत romantic है, cute है, but actually toxic है. Like, you know, this is.
Oh man.
कुछ आड़ा जवाब
What's
आएगा.
romantic? But that's actually.
Ah, correct. Stalking.
Stalking. Yeah,
तो वही
it's
तो
not.
बात थी
हाँ,
मैंने
नहीं,
कही.
नहीं,
surprise
थोड़ा
बोला.
अलग है.
Surprise
Stalking
बोला.
like-
Stalking is different.
Oh, you were talking about surprise. You know?
Yeah. I mean, I stole Sir's question now. He has to say, so what's the weirdest place you've been on a date?
अरे many places यार.
So give
जैसे
one
कि
now.
यार
तुमको कैसे लगता है वो छत वाले सीन और वो सब कहाँ से आते हैं मेरे लाइफ में?
अच्छा.
All these rooftop scenes and all these weird places.
Like what? Give
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
हाँ, give some.
Don't give the deep.
छत का सीन कहाँ था? कौन से सिटी में वो तो बता तो.
बॉम्बे में ही था.
बॉम्बे में ही था. थोड़ा और पूछो.
और बताओ.
और क्या?
Fine.
समझ गया.
Yeah, समझ गए. Thank you so much. I can go on and on, but you all have had a long day and you all have had many long days
But
ahead.
what a lovely session.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Really
Thank you,
enjoyed.
guys.
Thank you
Thank you,
all for
guys.
coming.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Sukanya.